Hi, this is Scott with MayTec USA. Here's a tip for using MayCAD, MayTec's free downloadable 3D software. Here we will show how to change the combination profile from cut to length to full-length pieces. We'll start with a cube to create a frame and add a couple panels and slots which will automatically include combination profile to support these panels. We can now go to the drop-down Edit BOM and see how the combo profile is added. As you can see, this material is only on one line with a quantity of 3 pieces of 2.5 meter bars. This creates a less expensive kit total but could increase shipping costs. Now we can go to the drop-down menu, File, Settings, then the Preferences tab, and finally check the box for Cut Each Framing Profile, then hit OK. So when we go back to the bill of material again, we can see that it's now cut to exact lengths. Thank you for viewing using MayTec and MayCAD. Please check out our other videos or visit our website for product information, distributors, and software downloads.